multimedia types, text, images, audio, video, animations, and even interactive elements to communicate.
Think about your favorite video. It has text or titles, visual for engagement, music mode, and something animation for better understand that that's multimedia in action.
How multimedia is used in ICT, cut-to-screen recordings and clips showing different applications of
How does multimedia contribute to ICT, information and communication technology? Well, it's everywhere. Let's break it down. Online learning platforms like Google Classroom and YouTube tutorials use multimedia to make lessons fun and interactive.
Website and social media campaign use multimedia to grab attention and increase engagement.
communication. Multimedia makes online meetings, social media interaction, and digital storytelling more engaging and impactful. Entertainment from movies to video, games to music, streaming, multimedia enhances how we experience digital content.
Why is multimedia important? Cut to an infographic